Alright, working our way on down the road, and we are finding derivatives. And so let's type something in here. What about 4x raised, and this time we're going to use a fraction here. How about raised to the half? And we'll say plus. I think I always say plus. What about minus 6? So we want to find the derivative. Now this time our exponent, alright, is a rational number. A half. But we do the same exact thing with the power rule, and that is we're going to want to take that power and bring it out front. So we take the half and bring it out front. And I think the way I'm going to write this is, we'll just write it like this, okay? And then times 4. So we're taking this half, bringing it out front, multiplying it by the 4, rewrite the x. Now this time we want to subtract 1 from the half here, and I think what I'm going to do is just go ahead and write the half and then go minus 1, right? So we're not skipping any steps. And then of course remember the derivative of 6 is 0, so I'm not going to rewrite that. Alright, I'm not going to rewrite that. And so now go ahead, write equals again. And so a half of 4 is 2. Simple enough. X, so we're just cleaning this thing up here. We have a half minus 1, and a half minus 1 is going to end up being, okay, a negative. You know, that negative sign is just really too negative, isn't it? To say the least. What happened? I jumped up over here trying to get this thing into the top. Things aren't working out like they need to. Alright, so we're going to put that. Man, things are not. Let's see. There we go. Okay. I don't know what happened. So we end up having a half up here in the exponent. Now, of course, we can actually rewrite this with positive exponents. And the way we would do that, right, is we'd end up having to, there's a couple different ways we can do this. We can say, we could leave the 2 up here, up in the numerator, and then of course, because this is x and has a negative exponent, we have to rewrite this with positive exponents. We'd have to take this down into the denominator and then rewrite it from there. Okay, so you're going to get your algebra rules down, right? So this is 2 over x to the half. Okay. And actually, because we're continuing this on down, we need to keep rewriting our equal signs here. Saying, look, this up here is equal to this, and that's equal to that. And remember, the whole thing, of course, right, is going to be equal to 2 over x to the half. So a lot of the times we rewrite with positive exponents. This is x raised to the half power.